Hi everyone! So, as the title suggests, the question today is: am I spending my time wisely? Are you spending your time wisely? That's a question I ask myself quite often, actually, at least once per month, maybe even more. I usually don't share my thoughts and the results with you because they're not that important to share, but this time my decisions will affect my online presence, and I thought it would be a nice opportunity to share with you what I do every so often. As always, I hope that through my experiences I might help you to manage your time better and ask yourself the same question. So the real question is, what is taking up a lot of my time without giving back a lot in return? You'd be amazed at how much time we spend doing things that don't really matter. It's a lot, and if you keep asking that question every week, every month, at least, you will start gaining a lot of time and stop doing the things that don't really matter in the long run. At least that's what I do. A couple of days ago that I asked myself this question for one more time, I realized that since I am a person of habits and schedule, I've actually put myself to a schedule that is really exhausting to me and doesn't give back a lot in return. And let me explain what I mean by that. As far as online presence goes, the most common tip everyone gives is to be consistent, to be present, to post often, to create a lot of content, and that goes for every social media platform. So I decided to start YouTube and make one video per week, then I increased that to twice per week, and I had a schedule to post every Wednesday and Saturday. Same with Instagram. I tried to increase my posts from 3 per week to 5 per week and then to 6 per week. And honestly, I didn't see a lot of change either on Instagram or on YouTube. Actually, YouTube was a lot better than Instagram, but again, I don't think it is necessary to post so consistently every Wednesday and Saturday. What if I post them Tuesday afternoon? Will the world end or something? I doubt it will, and I doubt a lot will change either. So I'm not saying I will post less, especially on YouTube. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I'm just saying that I'm going to stop putting myself to this strict of a schedule because it's causing me stress that is completely unnecessary. What if I don't have a video to post on Wednesday morning? So what? I might have it on Thursday. That's what I realized this time that was causing me a lot of stress and was taking up a lot of my time without giving back a lot in return. Especially with Instagram and Facebook, which I think it's pretty much dead for me. Nothing is happening really, whether I post or I don't post. Not a lot of things happen, and I do keep in touch with a lot of people that will be there no matter if I post 6 times per week or 3. Actually, they might prefer if I post 3 times per week instead of spamming them with posts every day, to be fair. So I think you already get the point. I'm just setting myself free of a schedule and of the pressure of making everything as perfect as possible. Because I honestly don't think I'm managing that, and I'm just putting myself through the stress without the results I want. My goal is to relax, sit back, enjoy the journey because it's a long one, and do my best, but at the same time have fun. I don't want to be on a strict schedule anymore, and I think that I will be more productive like that. I just won't have a specific social media schedule, a posting schedule, and stuff like that. And the same strict standards I was putting for social media and posts, I was also putting on my art. I keep trying to make complete pieces, serious pieces on the best quality materials and canvases, and I decided to loosen up on that as well. I will probably be doing a lot of smaller pieces, maybe a sketchbook pieces, and even put them up for sale, to be honest, on a much cheaper price, of course. I just want to loosen up with my schedule and my art and, have a little bit more fun instead of being always strict and stuck in the routine, I guess. I've just come to realize that I'm one of the few people who are getting stressed over some things that really don't matter, and I don't think I'm getting back anything in return for that. It's just not worth it, so why do it? That was my thought, and I thought it was important enough to share it with you because you will probably realize the changes that will happen, and this way you know why it all happens. As I said at the start, that's something I do very often, so I will evaluate again in the future and see if something that I changed actually hurt my journey, and I might change back, but for now that's what I'm going to be doing. And maybe I will loosen up even more if it works. Or if it doesn't, I go back. That's something I do often, and I will let you know for any upcoming changes if I think they are important enough for you to sit here and listen to me rambling about it. All in all, you can expect a much looser posting schedule on my social media, more art though, smaller pieces, looser pieces, less stress, more fun, and probably more interactions since I will have a lot of free time now. I honestly don't know if that was useful to any of you. I hope it was. I hope you sit down and ask yourself the same question and see if there is something that takes up a lot of your time and you don't need to be doing it, or you can do it in a different way that will take up a lot less time, and spend that time on fun things instead. Or maybe try something new that might work better for you. Keep asking that question every, month, a couple of weeks, maybe even more. But make a schedule to reevaluate your routine, your schedule, your time, because it's important to spend your time wisely. I hope you enjoyed this video and the time lapse. Please leave a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe for more videos like this. I will be uploading often, I just don't know exactly when. Let me know in the comments below if you did ask this question to yourself and what were your findings. What are you going to change to improve your life and your schedule from now on? I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, be safe, be happy, and keep going for your dreams. Bye.